Welcome to our video on wood ideas. Today, we're going to explore some creative and practical ways to use wood in your DIY projects. Wood is a versatile and timeless material that can be used in a variety of ways. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are endless possibilities for using wood in your projects. One popular way to use wood is in building shelves. Wooden shelves can add a rustic and natural touch to any room, and they're perfect for displaying books, plants, or decorative items. Another great idea is to use wood in building furniture. From coffee tables to dining room sets, wood furniture adds warmth and character to any space. Wood can also be used to create personalized and decorative items, such as signs, picture frames, and wall art. These items make great gifts and can add a personal touch to your home decor. For those with a green thumb, wood can be used to create beautiful and functional planters and garden boxes. These can be customized to fit any space and are perfect for growing herbs, flowers, or vegetables. Lastly, wood can be used to create organizers and storage solutions. From jewelry organizers to kitchen racks, wood can help keep your space neat and organized while adding a touch of natural beauty. Whether you're looking to add a natural element to your home decor or tackle a new DIY project, wood is a versatile and timeless material that can be used in countless creative ways. We hope these ideas have inspired you to get creative with wood in your own projects. So grab your tools and some wood, and let your imagination run wild. The possibilities are endless when it comes to using wood in your DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with wood and power tools. Wear protective gear, follow proper safety guidelines, and work in a well-ventilated area. And don't forget to have fun and enjoy the process of creating something unique and beautiful with your own hands. Happy woodworking!
That's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.